Welcome back to Gravity Automotive, and today we're diving into one of the most talked about luxury sedans to come out of China in recent years, the Maextro S800. This is not just another electric sedan trying to compete on price or range. The S800 is a statement car, designed to challenge established luxury names like Mercedes-Maybach, BMW 7 Series, and even high-end electric rivals like the Tesla Model S and NIO ET9. From the moment you see it, it's clear that Maextro is aiming for a new definition of modern luxury, one that blends traditional elegance with cutting-edge smart technology. Let's start with the overall design, because the Maextro S800 looks every bit like a flagship sedan. It has a long, commanding body with a strong road presence, wide proportions, and a clean, futuristic silhouette. The front end is dominated by a bold, closed grille design, emphasizing its electric identity, while sleek LED lighting elements stretch across the width of the car, giving it a confident and premium look day or night. The lighting isn't just for show either, as the intelligent LED system adapts to driving conditions and traffic, improving visibility while adding a high-tech touch. From the side, the S800 feels elegant rather than aggressive. The long wheelbase hints at a spacious interior, especially for rear passengers, which is a major focus for this car. Flush door handles, aerodynamic wheels, and smooth body lines all help reduce drag while reinforcing the clean luxury theme. At the rear, the continuous LED taillight bar and subtle chrome accents give the car a refined finish that feels more executive than sporty, perfectly in line with its luxury mission. Step inside the Maextro S800, and this is where the car truly separates itself from many competitors. The cabin feels more like a high-end lounge than a traditional car interior. Premium materials are everywhere, from soft leather and suede-like surfaces to real metal accents and ambient lighting that wraps around the cabin. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, with extensive adjustability, heating, ventilation, and massage functions, especially in the rear where Maextro clearly expects owners to spend a lot of time being chauffeured. Rear seat comfort is one of the S800's biggest selling points. There's generous legroom, a flat floor thanks to the electric platform, and individual rear seating options that feel closer to a first-class airline experience than a normal sedan. Rear passengers get their own control screens, climate zones, entertainment options, and even privacy features, making long journeys relaxing and quiet. This is a car that prioritizes calmness and comfort over sporty driving thrills, and it fully embraces that role. Up front, the dashboard is dominated by a wide digital display setup powered by Huawei's advanced Harmony OS-based infotainment system. This system is one of the strongest highlights of the Maextro S800. It's fast, intuitive, and deeply integrated with the car's hardware and software. Voice control is a major focus, allowing you to adjust navigation, climate, music, and even vehicle settings using natural speech commands. The system also connects seamlessly with smartphones, smart homes, and Huawei's broader ecosystem, turning the car into a rolling smart device. The digital instrument cluster is clean and customizable, while the central touchscreen handles navigation, media, and vehicle settings with smooth animations and crisp graphics. There's also a strong emphasis on minimalism, reducing physical buttons and relying on smart controls that learn driver preferences over time. Ambient lighting, fragrance systems, and advanced climate filtration all contribute to a serene, premium atmosphere inside the cabin. When it comes to performance, the S800 isn't about being the fastest sedan on the road, but it still delivers strong and confident acceleration thanks to its advanced electric powertrain. With dual-motor all-wheel drive configurations available, the S800 offers smooth, silent power delivery that feels effortless in city driving and stable at highway speeds. The instant torque typical of electric vehicles makes overtaking easy, while the refined suspension setup focuses on comfort rather than aggressive cornering, which fits perfectly with the car's luxury positioning. In terms of range and efficiency, the S800 is competitive within the premium EV segment. It offers a driving range suitable for long-distance travel, and fast charging capability ensures that charging stops are shorter and more convenient. Intelligent energy management systems optimize battery usage based on driving style and conditions, helping maximize efficiency without the driver needing to think about it. Safety and driver assistance are another area where the S800 shines. Equipped with a comprehensive suite of sensors, cameras, and radar systems, the car offers advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automated parking, and traffic jam assistance. Huawei's software expertise plays a big role here, enabling continuous over-the-air updates that improve system performance and add new features over time, which means the car doesn't just stay current, it actually gets better as you own it. What truly makes the Maextro S800 unique is how it blends traditional luxury values with modern smart technology. Instead of focusing purely on performance stats or flashy features, it emphasizes comfort, intelligence, and a seamless user experience. It's designed for buyers who want a calm, refined, and technologically advanced vehicle that feels more like a personal sanctuary than a machine. In many ways, the Maextro S800 represents the future direction of luxury sedans, especially in the electric era. It challenges the idea that true luxury only comes from long-established European brands, showing that technology-driven companies can deliver a premium experience that feels fresh, relevant, and deeply connected to modern lifestyles. So if you're looking for an ultra-luxury electric sedan that prioritizes comfort, smart features, and cutting-edge technology over raw performance, the Maextro S800 is definitely one to watch. It's a bold move, a confident statement, and a clear sign that the luxury EV market is evolving faster than ever. This is Gravity Automotive, and if you want more in-depth reviews like this, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and let us know in the comments what you think about the Maextro S800 and whether you'd choose it over traditional luxury sedans.